Yo, what's up everyone? We're back with another video. And there's a new construction site update, and I'll be showing you that today. So there's one brand new item on the tech web for the suburb biome. It's the zone copier. What the zone copier does, it so you can place the zone copier and then it shows up like a grid. And then when you drag the grid to like whatever block or thing that you made, you can copy without copying the whole map. And also you can clear things um that's on the map without clearing the whole map. Also, you can paste things just on the map that you don't have to paste in the whole map. So that thing is really um useful for building and everything. And there's a new gadget called the chainsaw. So like you know how the hardest part of building, like the thing that takes the longest is removing the blocks that you don't need. Well, that's where the chainsaw comes into play. The chainsaw, it removes any block without you having to grab it or anything. So that's what that chainsaw is for. And also, don't worry for your map to get great. Only people with the clear permission can use this gadget inside your community room. So use those permissions right. I'll be showing you the chainsaw. So first, you need to go to Blue House Research Facility. Also, I forgot to mention, this is not the thing, whatever. There's two new things. There is a SR latch and a D latch. There's a vote, there's a vote broadcaster, and people can vote for whatever. Get now onto the chainsaw, go to Outpost, and then go to the tank web, obviously. And then it's right here. It's 800 bucklins, so pretty expensive but worth it. Okay, I'll be showing you the new map called the construction site. So you gotta go to starter house, playground, prop town, and then construction site. Alright, we're at construction site, and it's a beautiful map to look at. I found 4 buckcoin stashes out of the 5, so I'll be showing you some of them while I go around the map. So there's one right here, obviously. And then we're gonna come up here. There's nothing up here, but come up here. The buckcoin stash right there. But this, you can play music, obviously. And then, like, people watching. And then there's where you can, like, buy music or whatever. And then there's this where you can just chillax. Get your, hot cocoa. And it's not allowed, but whatever. And then there's a spring pad. Or whatever you call them. And then when you go on that, you can go on this. And it takes you up here. It's, I forgot what this is. Correct me in the comments. Tell me what it is. But yeah, it's like a guy controlling it. Pretty cool. Perfect sounds for that. Then you can come down. Oh, it's like lifting something. Then we come over here. There's this little car. Yeah, pretty cool. And there's a crane. Could either go up to. Oh, oh, what the? I did not see this yet. That's not a bug. Faster. You're up here. It's the same thing like the other thing. Easy silence. Yeah, it's that. Yeah, it's a crane. Nothing much to say. This is, I forgot what that called is too, but I'm losing my mind today. But yeah, whatever this thing is, I'm sure there's like yeah, you get the come over here. This is a trash can. Oh my gosh, they called me a dumpster diver. Okay, whatever. Oh yeah, there's a buckwheat stash right here. Alright, there's a house over here. Wait, what does this do? Oh, it turns off. It pretty cool. It's a house that's getting destroyed because you see this like boulder thing destroying it. So yeah, you can go under stairs. If you want to? Not know if there's a buckwheat stash under here. But yeah, you can go upstairs. There's a bed. I think they're moving or whatever. But yeah, there's that the spring pad takes you up here, which is pretty fun to do. Yeah, there's a zip line. Let me go up here. Up here. Where it goes over here. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I think I showcased everything. If I didn't, please correct me in the comments. And I hope you liked that video. And like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not forcing you. But if you like the video, like and subscribe. Yeah, that will be the end. So